Hey y'all, today I am in CVS. You guys are getting a lot of these polish aisle videos. So I'm in a CVS I've never been in, new location, and I spotted that they had some more LA Girl gel-like shine polishes. I'm really surprised to see these in CVS as something new because they didn't used to carry these much. So yeah, they're $4.29 each, and they had a lot of cute colors. And the other CVS only had that Halloween edition of the LA Girls. They also had some lip scrub and some holographic lip gloss topper that was really cute. I love some lip gloss. So yeah, I just really had to run. I know I'm giving out so many of these videos because I'm always running to the store. I feel like if you have a family, you're always at the store. So at least once, twice, 3 times a week I'm in the store. So whenever I go to a good location or a new location, I gotta show y'all what they got, you know? It's content. So yeah, I'm just basically gonna take a look around and see if I see anything that catches my eye. So if you've been a subscriber for a minute, then you know I love me some facial products. I love to do a good facial. So I stopped to see what they had in the Yes 2. And I spotted this Watermelon Super Fresh Gel Moisturizer. I've never heard of a gel moisturizer. So I'm going to check Walmart to see if I can find it for maybe a little bit cheaper. It was $13.99 here. So they had the new Revlon Ultra HD Snaps here. I did not pick up another one yet because I still have not tried the first one I got. I got to make sure that I like it and it works good before I go ahead and collect more of them. They were the same price, I think $7.49 or $7.99. They had perfume on sale. They were $10, $5 off. And I hear that some of those smells good, but I didn't spray any that day. I was shocked to see that they had LA Colors. You don't never see LA Colors at CVS. But for the good collections like the unicorn, the metallic, the mermaid, they wanted $2.49 for each of those. And then for the LA Colored Craze, they wanted $1.59. So yeah, I definitely was not gonna get any of those because we can find them for $1 to $2. I thought that was a new color, but it's not. Now this one I'm picking up, I was tempted to get because it's really pretty, but I said I'm gonna go check Family Dollar first. Plus I might have it because most of those Hypno holographic collection, I think I might have one of each of those already. So yeah, I'm gonna have to check my collection. So now I'm just looking around to see if I spot anything else. And they did have some OPI on sale. Buy one, or is it OPI? Let's see. Yeah, there we go. OPI on sale, buy one, get one free. And they had these orally nail treatments. Most of them were $4.64, and I think one was $7.74. Oh, it's buy two, get one free on the OPI. They didn't have anything else on sale over here. They had their usual Sally Hansen collections, but they were all regular price. I turned around to see, they have this great quick blow dry brush that I love. And none of the CVS's has had it, but I spotted it here. But I just bought me another one. So I was like, man, I've been looking for that for the longest. And this store had it. So if you guys are there, look for the one that says quick blow dry brush. It's a bit pricey, but worth it. So this is the paparazzi display. They had the 50% off on a few, like at the other CVS for $1.49. This is the paparazzi hand, nail, and cuticle cream. They had the glow in the dark here. They didn't have it at the last CVS I showed y'all. And they had a few more colors than that other CVS did as well. this color was gorgeous, Fairy Garden, and I was gonna get that and another item towards the end of the video. I went to the counter and realized I did not have my car keys on me, which has my CVS card, and I've had it for so long I couldn't remember the phone number, so the stuff that I had I left there. And I had a 40% off coupon, by the way, I was trying to use, and it expired that same day. I forgot to go back. So when I went to get in line, I spotted this Flawless salon nail file. I figured maybe it'll work good on like your natural nails, and maybe for pedicures. It was 20 bucks. And they also had a Flawless Pedi, which is what I was going to get with my 40% off coupon. And this was also 20 bucks. That's it, y'all. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.